Hello everyone, this is Song from Enbon. Today it's my pleasure to introduce our new member, the Enbon R7 Series. As a new rental series, you must be curious about its novelty. Now I will show you several core advantages of R7 series. The appearance of Enbon R7 series has been newly designed compared with the previous rental series. R7 series is more dynamic and visual impact. According to the different needs of customers, the Enbon R7 series has two size options, 500 x 500 mm and 500 x 1000 mm. At the same time, customers can customize handles of different styles and positions according to security needs. As users of rental products, the main factor you must consider is the cost performance. Compared with other LED products of the same level, the price of R7 series is superior. It's the biggest feature of R7 series. This is not only at a low price, but it also keeps all advantages of Enbon rental series. This is already assembled and we are doing the aging test. We usually take it for 3 days because we need to check everything is okay before we deliver to customers. This screen can be used indoor and outdoor. If you have big events or big shows, it's a very nice choice. If you have more questions about R7 series, you can contact us through Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and other platforms. We are always ready to your inquiries. See you next time. Bye-bye.